In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on a mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy. The first step is to open the settings app. Once you're on the settings page, you want to tap on connections, which is right at the top. Once you're on the connections page, you can see here it says mobile hotspot and tethering. So I can tap on that. And then you have the option to enable a mobile hotspot and a Bluetooth tethering. So to enable your mobile hotspot, just make sure that that toggle is blue. And if you want more information regarding your mobile hotspot, you can tap on there where it says mobile hotspot. And then you can see it's on. It's going to give you your network name and then the password for your mobile hotspot, which is important to be able to let other people connect to your hotspot. And then you can enable an auto hotspot, and I'll actually turn that off. And then when you're done using your mobile hotspot, all you have to do is toggle that switch down, and then your mobile hotspot will be off. So that is how you turn on a mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.